So we have a mentor network. You will be joining a mentor network of teachers. And we have, as the number of students who enroll, the number of mentors who enroll will increase. The whole exercise, because that's why we call it only limited to class 10 and science and mathematics and no other subject, no other standard.
Sir, I am a chemistry teacher, right? I am teaching 6 classes at present. Four part I am teaching. She is bio teacher, she is also teaching. She will be the mentor of bio part. I will be the mentor of chemistry part. Sir, so the questions will come only for chemistry. So it may possible 100 students are asking the question before
But
the
you will
exam.
not be the only chemistry mentor, right? She will not be the
Okay,
only
you
bio
are
mentor.
like 2, 3
There will be
mentors.
hundreds of mentors. There will be for every
that's
1,000
right.
students we see.
Now here the question is that as you see 300 children are here, right? Maybe she is not teaching a particular class, for example. In addition to 300 also, I will add to that particular question now. That instead of that, because of she had taught in the earlier class, presently that class is not there with her, for example. Then that other children also, because of knowing, may be asking a question. So now here, in between, let me just read in between the lines of your system and the teacher's question. Say that there may be a system which should be evolved by the R&D, where a particular teacher in a day will not be getting more than 20 or 30 or 40, a limited number of questions. Otherwise what happens is, the success of the application will not be there because of overburdening of a teacher.
Absolutely.
Teacher will not be able to reply.
Because totally in a school, already the teacher is working for 6 to 8 hours. And in addition to that, corrections and other things, another 2 hours the teacher is working in the home. Right? So in such a case, somewhere, because a teacher, there may be a facility that we can think of or R&D may think of, like I am telling you, because I have worked with online coaching also. Right? In UK also I have worked with, and here also already in India online coaching is there. Right? Where as they are talking about the mentors, the number of mentors may be increased depending on that, and as a result, wherever there is a requirement of questions, they may have to design a number of mentors, more number of mentors, and for number of children, so many number of children,
One
for
mentor.
this particular time, these many children will be there. Am I right, sir?